You want to start calisthenics, but you don't know where to begin. No pull-up bar at home, no gym membership, and maybe you can't even do a single push-up yet. Here's the truth. Everyone starts from zero, even the athletes you admire on Instagram who seem to defy gravity. The good news? You don't need to be strong to start calisthenics. You get strong by starting. So today, I'm giving you the ultimate beginner guide, the exact step-by-step routine to build strength, muscle, and control using nothing but your body. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 essential calisthenics movements every beginner must master, the correct form and progressions, even if you can't do a push-up yet, and a 7-day beginner plan that you can start today without any equipment. You'll transform your body, improve your balance, and build strength that actually feels real, not just what machines give you. So grab a water bottle, some floor space, and let's begin your calisthenics journey from zero. Let's break this down into 5 foundational movements. Think of them as the building blocks of calisthenics, the exercises that create the base for every advanced move you'll ever do. 1. Push movement. Push-ups. Push-ups are your foundation for upper body strength. If you can't do one yet, start with incline push-ups using a table or wall. Once that's easy, move to knee push-ups, then finally full push-ups on the floor. Focus on keeping your body in a straight line, controlling the descent, don't drop, and engaging your core the entire time. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, depending on your level. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, the essentials for moves like planche and handstand later on. 2. Pull movement. Rows or negative pull-ups. Pull strength is critical, but beginners often don't have a pull-up bar. So start with inverted rows. Use a sturdy table or 2 chairs with a stick across. If you have access to a bar, perform negative pull-ups. Jump up, hold your chin above the bar, and slowly lower yourself down. Do 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. This builds your lats, biceps, and grip strength, muscles that define your back and arms. 3. Leg movement. Squats. Your legs are the foundation of your body. Start with basic body weight squats. Feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and go as low as your mobility allows. Once that's easy, progress to jump squats or pistol squat holds for balance and control. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Strong legs mean better stability for all calisthenic skills. 4. Core movement. Hollow body hold. Forget endless sit-ups. Sit-ups mostly train your hip flexors, not your actual core stability. Instead, do hollow body holds. Lie flat, lift your legs and shoulders off the ground, and keep your lower back pressed to the floor. If it's too hard, bend your knees slightly. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds, rest, repeat 3 times. This builds true core strength, essential for control, handstands, and levers. 5. Stability and balance. Plank plus shoulder taps. Balance is often overlooked. Start with a plank hold. Focus on a straight line from head to heel. Once comfortable, add shoulder taps to challenge your core and coordination. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, 3 rounds. You'll build endurance and joint stability, key to preventing injuries. Here's your complete beginner full-body calisthenics workout. 1. Incline or knee push-ups 3 times 10. 2. Inverted rows 3 times 8. 3. Body weight squats 3 times 15. 4. Hollow body hold 3 times 30 seconds. 5. Plank shoulder taps 3 times 30 seconds. Rest 60 seconds between sets. Focus on form over speed. You can complete this workout 3 to 4 times per week. On other days, stay active. Go for walks, stretch, or practice mobility drills. Now, let's fix the mistakes that stop beginners from progressing. Number 1. Rushing progressions. You don't need to jump into advanced moves. Master the basics, They'll take you farther than flashy tricks. Number 2, half reps. Doing 20 bad push-ups won't help. Doing 5 perfect ones will. Quality always beats quantity. Number 3, ignoring recovery. Muscle growth happens outside your workouts. Sleep 7 to 8 hours and take rest days seriously. Number 4, neglecting nutrition. You can't out-train a poor diet. Fuel your body with protein, whole carbs, and hydration. Number 5, comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different. Focus on your progress, not someone else's highlight reel. Here's a simple 7-day plan to get you started and stay consistent. No equipment needed, just your body and your commitment. Day 1, push focus. Incline push-ups, 3 times 10. Plank shoulder taps, 3 times 30 seconds. Light stretch. Day 2, pull and core. Inverted rows, 3 times 8. Hollow body hold, 3 times 30 seconds. 5-minute walk or jump rope. Day 3, legs and mobility. Bodyweight squats, 3 times 15. Calf raises, 3 times 20. 10-minute stretch. Day 4, rest and recovery. Light stretching or yoga. Hydrate and eat clean. Day 5, full body routine. Push-ups, 3 times 8. Rows, 3 times 6. Squats, 3 times 15. Plank hold, 3 times 45 seconds. Day 6, core strength day. Hollow hold, 3 times 40 seconds. Side plank, 2 times 30 seconds each side. Mountain climbers, 3 times 20 seconds. Day 7, active recovery. Go for a walk, stretch, or foam roll. Reflect on progress. Remember, consistency beats perfection. You've just learned the blueprint to start calisthenics from zero. The next step is simple. Take action today. Do your first workout right after this video. Don't wait for the perfect day. There's no better time than now to start building the body you've always wanted. If you found this guide helpful, actualize. Subscribe for weekly workouts and beginner challenges. Like this video to support the channel. And plank on board. Comment below with "I'm starting today" so I can cheer for your progress. Because remember, you don't need a gym to get strong. All you need is your body, your mindset, and your consistency. This is your calisthenics journey, and it starts today. Watch next, top 10 bodyweight exercises to build muscle fast. Subscribe for more calisthenics tutorials.